Hey, why breaking no more? Like the other video. I just like in the end, and I started this one impulsively as well. Woo! So why sticking to your values? Because then you don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to guess what others want. You can let your values speak for yourself. It's related to people pleasing. It simplifies relationship because then uh, you don't really have to be like too much in this interpersonal turmoil. Like if I do this, they're gonna do this, and then I'm not gonna be like nah. It's gonna be I'm gonna be a bad person because blah blah blah. Because they're gonna feel that way. No, me, no, no. Then there is like you don't have to be like pleasing the other person. You just you don't have to you can remain authentic to yourself. You don't have to transform yourself too much. You can remain authentic to your values. You can remain centered around your thing, and people they know you because you're centered around your thing, and so they are gonna more be pleasing you rather than you pleasing them, and you won't forget yourself too much, or you will be more shielded about their temper, right? You're gonna be like, oh, okay, it why are you reacting like this, right? It's like you don't it's not like, oh, is it my fault? Like it's like, oh no, it's not like, oh fuck, I had done something wrong. Have I done something wrong? It's like, wait, why are you reacting like this? I did something, or is it something else? Because like, you abide by your values, so you take it less personal. It's like, for me, it's like, I don't know, I'm just transparent, like that I am transparent, right? So I'm sorry, like, is it the way I said it, or is it because you know that I am transparent, like you appreciate this, usually was it something else or was it this, like then you question as well the value, like the expression of the value, instead of questioning yourself. And like the discussion is centered around the value, it's not centered around, am I a good person or not, right? And so you're less in your life, you will less be a people pleaser, then you will be more a person that feels confident about what they think, the way they are, the way they behave, and you will be negotiating with more ease as well, less emotional turmoil. Yeah, you become as well more clear and predictable at work.